Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in by applying the edge control all around my edges to where they're laid down and complete. Make sure y'all don't forget to get every edge, every corner, because it gets a little curly. And we're going around the back as well. Make sure we get all around. So now it's time to prepare our edges. Make sure they are laying and slaying. I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now to my channel, because there will be more and more videos and you do not want to miss out. We're bringing everything up into a high ponytail, and we're using the Edge Control 24-hour Edge Tamer, my fave. Alright, just about got it bunned up. And you also will need rubber bands, approximately 2, to secure the end of your ponytail that hangs out. If you have longer hair, you just wrap it around, wrap the excess hair around, and put another rubber band right on top. And as you can see, I have the braid that's already braided. It's attached with a rubber band. You twist around twice around your ponytail, and you get to spread the core of the ponytail at the top of the braid. Spread it out so that it covers your bun, and take a bobby pin and secure it all around. It takes me approximately 3. Just to make sure I can secure it all around. Now that that's secured, it's just something I like to do sometimes. Having a busy day, so I wrap a band around just to keep everything secure. And now we're going to clean up these edges. Make sure everything's in place. And it looks like we're there. It's the back. I want to thank everybody for watching this video, for liking and subscribing. Make sure y'all share. Let your friends know. Until next time, it's Barbie LeVay's way.